At Underwater Audio, we design waterproof electronics for people who are swimming for rehabilitation, people who are training for triathlons, or they're just a lifetime swimmer. Those are the people who have been begging for this product for a long time. You can clip your music player on the back of your goggles and listen to whatever you want to. The D4K from ETEC really changes how quickly we can take an idea and turn it into a product. The ETEC machine allows us to print products and see how the electronics will fit inside, how the battery will fit. We were able to take two parts that were printed separately and have them be accurate enough to actually match. And nothing else had that capability. The D4K gives us the capability to rapidly prototype new ideas and make sure that it's actually manufacturable. With the D4K, I believe that we can avoid mistakes and changes that delay production so that we can get the product to the customer much faster and change their lives.